λογικά.
Welcome to our channel. This is the first video that we are going to do in English. We are planning to do all the season with English languages so everybody can understand. For those that they don't know, I'm George Christoforou, known as SHAKEDOWN. I'm a drift pilot. I'm from Cyprus. I'm 35 years old and I'm driving this beast, a BMW 1 Series with an S50 B30 turbo engine with nose, producing over 1,000 wheel horsepower. And yeah, we did last year Drift Kings. We managed to win the championship, so we are going to compete this year as well. Hopefully we can do a couple of rounds of Drift Master as well. Off season, we did some changes. We tried to focus on finding more grip, so we upgrade the wide fab front and rear. We put some sway bars, a different suspension, three-way, so we can find more grip. I will try slowly to keep you updated with English subtitles and English speaking about the build. I have a whole series when we were building this car back in 2020. So hopefully, slowly, I will show you the car and explain what we did and why we did it. Today, it's a day of a practice, first practice for 2024. We are in Athena Speedway. It's a local track in Cyprus. So we close it private to do some testing, change the alignment, the suspension, and trying to find more grip. So the team is here with the car. Hopefully we'll have a good day and I will keep you updated how the practice goes.
Τούτον τώρα πάνω σφίγγει, κάτω χαμένα λογικά.
another one.
Good morning once again. Second day for practice. Last practice, it was a week before. We tried to figure out what actually anti-squat on Wisefab does. We did some testing with different springs, different kilos, different setup, alignment, and all this stuff. So we finished the practice in a good level with a lot of grip. We came back to the shop, did some new changes, aligned the car, rebuilt and revolved the suspension with a different setup, and we came back to test it this day. We brought a friend today, Pambos. Pambos has a Silvia with an LS3 engine. It has 600 wheel horsepower with nose. So we are going to do some testing today to try to do a good battles and find out what is the best setup on the twins. So keep watching. Hopefully it's a good day. As you can see, the car is loaded, the tires are destroyed. That's one of the main problems that we have. We cannot do 2 laps with the power that we have. So we have to manage our strategy. If we are going to go 100%, we have to choose if it's going to be the lead run or the chase run. Today we check different position of the anti-squat and the suspension, some minor tweaks. The car is good, no temperature, a lot of power. We didn't even use the high boost. So now it's approximately 750 to 800 wheel horsepower, but it's more than enough. We have problem with the tires to do 2 laps. The good thing is that the engine is healthy, no temperature, the car handles very good. I think we managed to do the car as quick as possible with the condition that we have. Now the car has to leave to go to Hungary. First round for us, it's at Tokol in Hungary, 20th of April. So hope to see everybody there. and I will keep you posted with a new video after the race, what happened and all the journey that we are going to do in Europe. I will film it. Thank you very much.